How to create accounts and contacts in TaxDome. Creating accounts and contacts in TaxDome allows you to efficiently manage and organize your client's information. Account is an entity you interact with. Some might be personal accounts, others might be business accounts. So the first step of creating an account is to select its type. If your client is a person or a family, you select the individual account type for them. If you work for businesses, you select the company account type for them. The main difference is that when you select account for the company, you need to indicate the company name and also have the option to fill in the details of company address. When the account type is selected, you offered to select some settings for your new account that will help you handle it on TaxDome. From here, you can 1. Select one or more tags that will be automatically applied to your account. 2. Choose which team member you want to assign to the account. Just like with tags, you can select multiple users here. If nothing has changed here, then you and also all team members with default account access will have access to the account. And lastly, 3. You can choose which folder template you want to apply to this account, or you can leave it blank if you want to do it at a later point. If you have custom fields created, you'll be able to fill them in as well, or add a new one. The last step in creating the client's account is to add contacts to it. The actual people, aka clients who have accounts on TaxDome, are always identified by contacts. That is a first and last name and email address. For the individual account contact is a person for whom it is created. If it's a family account, you may want to have several contacts linked to it. For businesses, contacts are usually company employees. You may have as many contacts linked to an account as you need. Every contact should have an email when you enter it. There are a couple of toggles that you can enable. The login toggle allows your clients to log into the client portal. The notify toggle enables email notifications for the clients. The email sync toggle lets you pull in all previous email conversations you have had with your clients into TaxDome. You can easily turn on or off toggles later from the client profile or from the account list. One contact may have access to several accounts, for example, business and personal. So if you already have a contact for an account you're creating, you may link it.